Hey, want to make your phone number disappear when you call someone? Like, totally show up as private number? Stick around, I'll show you how to do it in just a few taps. So first, grab your Android phone and open up the dialer app. Know the one you use to make calls. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and tap those three little dots. That opens a menu. Go ahead and tap on Settings. Now inside Settings, scroll a bit until you find Supplementary Services. Tap on that. And if you're using dual SIMs, pick the SIM card you want to hide your number on. After that, look for the option that says Show Your Caller ID. Give it a tap, and now here comes the magic. Just select Never, and that's it. From now on, every time you make a call, your number will stay hidden and show up as private number. Pretty cool for when you want to stay low-key or prank your friends a little. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe drop a comment. See you in the next one. Peace out.